It's me, James Sweeney, in the studio in Brooklyn, New York, and I will say it's a lovely day outside, weather-wise especially. And go ahead, laugh it up. I know the Brooklyn Nets, they got crushed yesterday by Boston, losing by 16. And the Royals, they lost the World Series, unfortunately. But do you want to see something that we all can laugh at? Just take a look at this pic and it'll cheer you up. Now, this here is funny. And oh yeah, they lost too, but by more than 20 points. But on the business side, it was Country Music Thursday at the New York Stock Exchange. Take a look at the pics. And guess what? The markets kind of square danced their ways to some gains, right? Kind of cheesy. But I do have to say this, partner. It's after 4 o'clock. The markets are closing. It's time to go on down to the oasis where the whiskey drowns and the beer chases my blues away. That's right, it's happy hour in New York City. Now, U.S. stocks, they mostly gained Thursday afternoon, with Visa lifting the Dow after data showed the U.S. economy grew more than expected last quarter, and as investors attempted to figure out the Federal Reserve's next big move. Now, first on the economic front, GDP, gross domestic product, that grew at a 3.5% annual rate during the third quarter, and that was above the expected 3% pace. Another report, however, had the number of Americans filing for jobless benefits rising last week, but the 4-week average, that fell, therefore signaling that ongoing improvement is indeed happening in the labor market. Meanwhile, yesterday's expected Fed decision to end 6 years of bond purchases continues to hold weight, as no longer describing the slack in the labor market as significant continues to affect the markets and investors. Now, you team that with some corporate earnings, and you have yourself the following session where for every 2 stocks falling, roughly 3 rows over at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's now take a look to see how the markets closed out the session. And lastly, on the corporate front, adding to gains today, we had Visa, which rallied after reporting a better-than-expected adjusted quarterly profit while projecting mobile payments would indeed increase business. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. Tomorrow is Halloween, and I think I already have a costume. I don't really think so. But at the same time, kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink, and yeah, did you ever think you'd see me wearing one of these in Brooklyn, New York? I'm not going out in the street with this. I'll see you guys in the morning. From outerwallstreet.com, I'm James Sweeney.